Amazing day everyone! By the way, I'm Janjis Paglinawan, one of the mentor of Team Trinity. I would like to share to you about our amazing company, I Am Worldwide. But before anything else, let me introduce myself kung paano ako na-involve sa ganitong negosyo. Anyway, ako po yung taong may malaking pangarap at naniniwala ako na walang mahirap sa taong may pangarap sa buhay. I'm working almost 7 years in different company. And I realize na sobrang kulang talaga yung kinikita at malabong maibigay ko yung buhay na pinapangarap at gusto ko para sa kinabukasan ng family ko. That's why I decide na mag-abroad. Dahil if you are ordinary people here in the Philippines, you need to travel abroad than staying here in our country. Kaya maraming kababayan natin na nakipagsapalaran sa ibang bansa. But so happen, na-invite ako one of my friend na ginagawa yung negosyo. Nagkataon, naghahanap ako ng pagkakitaan. Kaya umatind ako at nakita ko yung sistema na pwede palang magbago at makuha yung pangarap mo kahit nasa sariling bansa lang tayo. Kaya now, I'm building my new set of team to work as one and helping each other to experience the reality of our dreams. Kaya guys, just keep your mind open. Baka ito na yung opportunity na matagal mo nang hinihintay katulad ko. Panoorin mo itong video hanggang matapos at pag nagustuhan mo, isa ako sa makakatulong sa'yo. Guys, welcome to our I Am Business presentation. Our company name I Am Worldwide. Ito po yung founder natin, Mr. Allen Marvin Eder, and Vice President Ms. Aika Lorinoy. Kapwa very successful sa business na ginagawa nila. And earnings more than 100 of millions. And nakapag-create na din ng 100 of millionaires sa previous company nila, kasama na ako doon. And now, we are so excited dahil nakapag-create sila ng company na very generous in terms of compensation plan. We are still pioneering right now and yung marketing plan natin, as of now, wala pang kapantay. This is our head office located at Green Hills, San Juan, and right now, meron na tayong 9 I Am Business Center kasama na yung first international branch natin sa Kuwait. Guys, ito naman yung legalities natin. So we are safe and protected. Transparent ang company, kaya in just 6 months time, we have first award, Philippine Top Choice of Excellence, and also ANCA People's Choice sa Rising Star Company. Guys, can you imagine? Bago pa lang tayo, may mga awards na. How much more years from now? Maraming awards, maraming taong matulungan, and we are very fast growing company right now. Kaya maganda maging part ng history of I Am Worldwide. And company offer hope, which mean health, opportunity, prosperity for everyone. Kaya ang pinaka-focus natin, it's all about health kasi 90% of our population right now is health conscious. And good things, while boosting our health, meron pa tayong opportunity para kumita. And siyempre, matupad yung pangarap natin sa buhay. So yung I Am Worldwide para sa lahat ng tao na may pangarap sa buhay at makatulong sa ibang nangangailangan. Guys, bakit na-conceptualize yung I Am Worldwide? Because of this, stress. Stress is the mother of all diseases. At maraming tao naka-experience nito. Kaya pag stressful tayo, na-activate yung mga cells sa katawan natin. And yun yung dahilan para magkasakit tayo. Kaya may kasabihan, so many people spend their health gaining wealth and then have to spend their wealth to regain their health. Maraming nagsacrifice ng health nila para lang kumita ng pera. But at the end of the day, nauubos din yung naiipon para lang bumalik yung kalusugan. Guys, we are in the right company right now. Concern yung health natin, at the same time, we are building our wealth so we can help to everyone who need this program. Ito yung top 5 cause of death ng human being, and all of this are inside of our body. Once na stress ka, na-activate yung cells sa katawan natin. Kaya nga, if you mismanage yung isang bagay, you will lose it. Pag yung katawan natin na mismanage mo, lalabas lahat ng sakit. And lahat yan parang magnanakaw. Di natin alam kung saan, di natin alam kung kailan. Baka nga nandyan na. Kaya kailangan nating ingatan kasi ang totoong kayamanan ay yung kalusugan natin. Guys, kilala nyo po ba Miss Maritoni Fernandez? She is our business partner at the same time product supplier. If we all know, Miss Maritoni Fernandez is a cancer survivor. Nagkaroon po siya ng stage 2 breast cancer. And the doctor told her na 5 years na lang yung survival period niya. Kaya nag-undergo siya ng chemotherapy. Pero dahil sa lakas ng radiation, muntikan na siyang di makasurvive. It takes 21 days bago makarecover sa first chemotherapy niya. And she has decided na mag-search sa internet about boosting sa immune system para malabanan yung sakit. And she found out the barley in the internet. Kaya sinubukan niya itong i-take. Good things, sa second chemotherapy, while taking barley, 4 days pa lang naka-recover na siya. Then continuous intake until 3 years cancer-free na siya. And yung sabi ng doktor na di na siya makaanak, now nasa 10 years old na yung bunso niya. Kaya barley, it's a miracle food, and right now, nasa 17 years of survival na po siya. Siya yung living testimony ng barley dito sa Pilipinas. Maraming company na nag-claim na may barley sila, but only I Am Worldwide offered first-class barley from Australia. And Maritoni is our exclusive supplier of our all products. Barley is recognized as most nutritious of all plant foods. And barley is also a biblical, kaya mahahaba yung buhay nung unang panahon because of this plant. This is our products. We have barley powder, 10 sachet per box. Then we have also barley capsule. Doon sa ayaw malasahan yung powder, meron tayong capsule, 100 pieces yung laman ng isang box. Meron naman tayong choco barley, para sa mga bata na di mahilig sa gulay, at least dito, safe and full of vitamins yung iniinom nila. And also, we have coffee with tongkat ale. It's energy booster and good for husband and wife. Para naman sa mahilig magpaputi, meron tayong coffee with glutathione. It's powerful antioxidant. And lahat ng products natin, first in the market. And our top seller products, Garcinia Cambogia, best slimming juice, very effective, selling like a hot cake. Ang daming gustong pumayat, and this products, it's good for you. Guys, ito naman yung celebrity business partner natin from GMA Network and ABCBN. And also friend of mine, vocalist of Avalon Beyond, Ayan Wendell Season. And my big partner, Renante Geronimo. May dalawang business, also owner and social media awardee of Midbrain Activision, but still doing I Am Worldwide. And siyempre, our international business partner from Nigeria, Africa, headed by Mentor Apostol. Kung sila nga nakita ang potential at kagandahan ng company, tayo pa kaya, di ba? Siyempre, may team partner from different areas in the Philippines. Sobrang proud ako dahil ang laki ng pangarap nila sa buhay. With core leader of Team Trinity. Ngayon guys, pag-usapan natin yung opportunity paano maging part ng I Am Worldwide. Since negosyo ang pag-uusapan, meron tayong packages na pagpilian kung ano ang kaya nyo. Meron tayong bronze, which is 11.2, base package gold 44,800, and our best deal package is platinum, which is 112,000. Lahat po yan value for money. 100% yung products na kapalit. And kasama na kayo sa lahat ng incentives ng company. Nakadepende na lang yung kikitain sa package na kukunin nyo. Siyempre, the higher amount, mas maraming benefits. One-time investment, lifetime mag-i-enjoy sa kikitain. Once part na kayo ng company, you can enjoy 33% to 50% discount sa lahat ng products na pinakita ko sa inyo. Then, pwede na kayo mag-retail sa mga products as additional income. And right now, let's talk about prosperity. Paano ba tayo kikita ng malaki? We need to follow the system. How? Just avail the package, then refer at least 2 to 4 of your friends kami mo nakakausap, or just send this video to your friend. Then learn the business step by step and earnings will follow. Guys, ito yung una nating kitaan. First, wholesale commission. Meron tayong bronze package, gold, and platinum package. Once maka-refer kayo ng bronze, meron kayong 1,000 pesos. Pag gold naman, ma-refer mo, meron kang 3,500. Required, dapat gold account ka din. Kasi naka-lock in tayo, kung anong account mo, yun lang din ang limit ng kikitain mo. For example, gold ang ma-refer mo, din account mo is bronze. Instead na 3,500 ang kita mo, pang bronze lang din. Dahil nakalimit sa account mo. Then pag platinum naman account mo, and maka-refer ka ng same package, meron kang 9,000 income as referral fee. Automatic yon sa system. Makikita mo sa sarili mong account kahit saang bansa ka as long as may connection ka. And unlimited po yon. The more maraming referral, mas malaki kikitain nyo. Ito naman yung second ways to earn natin, sales match commission. May kita tayo based sa account na i-avail natin. Pag bronze, 1,000 yung sales match. Pag gold naman is 3,000, and pag platinum, mas malaki, 8,000 yung every sales match natin. Kaya advantage, pag platinum, kahit anong package papasok, makukuha natin yung earnings. Required, dapat meron tayong at least 2 direct para maging qualified tayo sa sales match commission. For example, gold account holder tayo. First referral mo is gold, then meron kang 3,500 as direct referral. Second referral naman is gold, meron ka din 3,500. Dahil direct mo yung dalawa, activated na yung account ng sales match mo, so magkakaroon ka ngayon ng additional 3,000 pesos from your team sales commission. Then pag yung first and second referral mo, nakapag-refer din ng kahit di mo na sila kakilala, as long as nasa left and right team mo, meron kang income up to 50,000 per week. Ang limit pag gold account tayo. Ang kagandahan, wala tayong flash out and wala din tayong fifth pair. Then, meron tayong strong leg retention. Advantage dito, single account lang tayo. Kaya pag trabahuin natin, pwedeng ma-maximize yung income up to 3 million per week based sa ranking ng account mo. Pag nag-sapphire ka, 200,000 per week ang limit. Pag ruby naman, 400,000 per week. Pag emerald, 600,000 per week. Diamond, 800,000 per week. Blue diamond, 1M per week. Black diamond, 1.5 million per week. Crown diamond, 2.5 million per week. Then Crown Alpha Mentor, 3 million per week to 12 million per month. Yun po yung limit ng account natin pag nag-rank tayo. Guys, dito may teamwork. Kasi isang account lang imamanage mo. Di katulad pag multiple account, ang daming asikasuhin. Kaya hindi naging healthy yung organisasyon natin. At least dito, left and right lang. Very manageable. Kaya ang daming mga leaders sa ibang company naglipatan dahil sa kagandahan ng program. Pero guys, bonus pa lang to. Meron tayong kitaan na kakaiba sa lahat. Ito yung pangatlong kitaan natin. Infinity Commission, mag-start ito sa third sponsor natin. And yung first to direct nila onward, meron tayong additional income. Sa Infinity Commission, pag bronze, meron tayong 500, then sa gold, 1,000, and sa platinum naman, 2,000 pesos, bawat unang dalawa na papasok, starting sa third direct mo, down the line, up to infinity. For example, gold account tayo. First referral mo, gold, may 3,500 ka. Second referral mo is gold, another 3,500 plus sales match commission na 3,000 pesos. Ngayon, naka-refer ka ng pangatlo mo. Itulong mo siya ngayon sa unang referral mo and may another 3,500 ka ulit. Then yung infinity, mag-start dito sa third referral mo. Ngayon, nakapag-refer siya ng dalawa. Sa ibang company, wala kang income as long as di mo malagyan yung kabila mo. Pero dito sa atin, sa unang dalawa niya, meron kang tig 1,000 pesos each. Ang kagandahan, lahat ng unang dalawa na papasok, 1,000 ka ng 1,000 pag gold yan. 500 naman pag bronze and mas malaki, 2,000 each pag platinum. Kaya kahit isang linya lang ang gagalaw, as long as naka third direct ka na, kikita ka ng kikita. Pagdating ng 16th level, pwede kang kumita ng 128 million. Pag gold lahat ang papasok. 64M naman pag bronze ang papasok. Guys, ang kagandahan up to infinity. Kaya ang tawag namin dito, road to billion system. Dahil pwede kang kumita ng 1B pagdating ng 20th level mo. Guys, pinag-usapan pa lang natin dito yung third sponsor mo. What if meron ka pang-apat na direct? Lahat ng unang dalawa nila may infinity ka pa din. And yung infinity natin mag-start sa pangatlo mong direct, pang-apat, pang-lima, onward. The more ka maraming direct, mas mai-enjoy yung infinity commission natin. At ito yung wala sa ibang company. Plus, may bonus pa tayo sa sales match na unlimited 3,000 ng 3,000. Kaya pag gawin mo yung I am worldwide, in just 18 months na tuloy-tuloy, guys, 100%, pati buhay ng family mo magbabago dito. And take note, pioneering pa tayo. Kaya, mas masarap sabihin na buti na lang sumali ako. Kaysa ang dami nang nagbago yung buhay at sabihin natin, sayang, sana ako ang nandyan. Guys, ito naman yung ibang kitaan natin na sobrang ganda, balik agad yung investment mo. Exclusive for gold and platinum investment only. This is just for you program. Ibig sabihin, once nakaapat ka, balik agad yung puhunan mo. For example, gold account ka. Then you are able to refer at least 4 people, then you will get referral commission, a total of 14,000. Walang time frame. It's up to you kung kailan mo makompleto referral. Plus, sales match commission na 6,000 pesos. So, yung total income mo dyan is 20,000. Dahil naka-refer kayo ng apat, yung company magbibigay ng additional commission na total of 40,000 pesos. Kaya yung total kita mo is 60,000. Balik agad yung puhunan. Ang kagandahan, unlimited pa yan. Every time maka-refer ka ng apat, meron kang extra commission na 40,000 pesos. Walang ganito sa ibang company. Only in I am worldwide. Ngayon, what if naman platinum package ka and naka-refer ka ng apat na nag-platinum din? Bawat referral, 9,000 ka. Sa apat, meron kang total na 36,000. Plus, yung sales match natin na 8,000 bawat pares. Kaya meron kang 16,000. So, sa apat na platinum referrals mo, may total earnings ka na 52,000 pesos. The good things is, platinum ka, kaya magkaroon ka ng additional bonus na 100,000 pesos. Exclusive for you. And unlimited. Bawat apat na referral mo, may 100,000 ka. Kaya, business-wise, kung may puhunan ka talaga, ito na agad yung kunin mo. Napakalaki yung benefit, sulit na sulit yung investment na 112,000 platinum package. Plus, may 100% ka pa na worth of products na makukuha. Out of 112,000 na investment, maka-refer ka lang ng apat, balik agad sa'yo 152,000 pesos. Plus, pag sila nag-refer, magkakaroon ka ng residual income. Ito naman yung check match commission natin. May additional income ka sa lahat ng direct mo. Sa sales match commission nila. Pag bronze yung package mo, may 5% ka bawat sales match ng direct mo. Then 8% naman pag gold and 10% pag platinum account ka. Ito yung example pag gold account ka. Yung direct mo kumita ng 5,000 per week, sa sales match niya, meron kang 400 pesos additional income. Pag kumita ng 10,000 per week, times 8%, meron ka naman 800 pesos. Pag 50,000 per week, ang kinita ng direct mo, meron ka naman 4,000 pesos. Kagandahan, habang tumatagal, lumalaki naman ang kita. Pagka nag 100,000 per week yung direct referral mo, meron ka naman 8,000 pesos sa kanya. Ito, additional income. May enjoy mo to later on, lalo na pag marami kang direct sponsor na natulungan na kumita. Din ito yung residual income natin, na pwede tayong kumita ng 15 million monthly kahit wala kang ginagawa, as long as na-build natin yung tamang foundation 2 to 3 years from now. Ito yung unilevel commission na may 5% or 5 pesos tayo per box sa lahat ng reorder ng mga products from your first level up to 10th level. Required, kailangan active member tayo or bumibili tayo ng products monthly at least worth 1,500 pesos. Kagandahan, meron tayong roll-up compression. Ibig sabihin, pag yung 5th level to 9th level mo, di nakabili, yung 11th level to 15th level aakyat para buo pa rin yung kikitain natin up to 10th level. Kaya dito, isang beses lang natin i-build, lifetime, may enjoy natin yung benefit binibigay ng company. And guys, kagandahan, meron pa tayong matching unilevel commission na kung saan may additional income ka sa kinikita ng direct mo sa unilevel commission niya. Once nag-rank ka as Sapphire, may 20% ka sa unilevel ng direct mo and 10% naman from your second level to 4th level. Once naging Ruby yung account mo to Diamond rank. Kaya pag nag-Diamond ka, you have total 50% income sa unilevel ng direct mo hanggang 4th level mo. Guys, first time to sa industry ng network marketing na yung marketing plan pro networker. Kaya kung ikaw, may idea ka na sa ganitong negosyo, advantage sa'yo. Kailangan na lang maging part ka ng system and pagtulungan natin. Malay mo, ikaw pa ang kauna-unahang maging icon dito. Guys, ito yung panghuli natin, I am incentives. This is for free once part tayo ng company. Meron tayong 6 months car fund incentives worth 100,000 or 300,000. Pag platinum ang account mo, 15 to 45 pairs lang na platinum in just 6 months. Hit mo na siya agad. Baka nga in just 1 month lang, kuha mo na. Then, meron tayong 9 months car fund worth 600,000 to 800,000. Depende sa mahit mo. Pag platinum, 125 to 161 pairs lang. Din yung 1 year incentives natin, ito, free car na worth 1 million to or 1.8 million upon registering our system. Pag platinum, mabilis siyang mahit. Nasa 225 to 429 pairs lang, hit mo na sariling car mo. Iba pa yung sarili mong income. Di po mababawasan and marami pa tayong incentives pag part ka na ng company. Guys, thank you for watching this video. Before we end, share ko lang yung favorite verse ko, Jeremiah 29 verse 11. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. Kaibigan, hindi po aksidente kung bakit sa daming tao ikaw yung isa sa nakapanood ng video na ito. May purpose si God. And plan niya mag-prosper tayo para mas marami tayong matulungan. We cannot give what we don't have. Mahirap tumulong kung tayo nangangailangan ng tulong. Try this kapatid. at baka ito na yung sagot sa matagal mo nang dinadasal. Walang magbabago sa buhay natin kung wala tayong baguhin. At walang magbabago kung wala tayong idadagdag. Once again, I'm Janjis Paglinawan. You can add me in Facebook. Thank you for watching this video. For more details, you can contact my number or just contact the person who shared this video to you. Thank you and God bless. More power.